为什么要谈恋爱啊？谈恋爱好难啊。
Here comes the explanation part of the Chinese drama clip. So let's see what do we have to learn in this drama clip. चलिए देखते हैं कि आज हम इस Chinese drama clip से क्या सीखेंगे. Here we have a word 谈恋爱. 谈恋爱, be in love, having a love affair, or dating someone. मोहब्बत में पड़ना, मोहब्बत का रिश्ता कायम करना. इसको हम चीनी ज़ुबान में 谈恋爱 कहते हैं. ठीक है. So let's just get to know about the sentences used in the drama clip. The first sentence is 为什么要谈恋爱啊? Why should we fall in love? Or why do we have to be in a relationship? A relationship that is based on love, having a love affair. Why should we fall in love? हम मोहब्बत में क्यों पड़ जाए? चीनी ज़ुबान में इसको इस तरह बोलते हैं. 为什么要谈恋爱啊? 为什么要谈恋爱啊? The next sentence is 谈恋爱好难啊. 谈恋爱好难啊. It's really hard to fall in love. मोहब्बत में पड़ना वाकई मुश्किल है. 谈恋爱, having a love affair. 好难, really difficult. Nan means difficult or hard. So 好难, really difficult. Okay. And in the previous sentence, if we just see 为什么 means why. 要 the need 谈恋爱 to have a love affair. Chinese people use this particle a lot in their sentences. So sometimes it's just like to be a way that it is native, or one of its use is that it is added at the end of a Chinese sentence to express questioning. सवाल पूछना भी इसके ज़रिए किया जा सकता है. एक तो हम वो लफ्ज़ जो है इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So normally we use this particle at the end of a Chinese sentence to make it interrogative, but sometimes we can use this particle too as, or this word too, at the end of a Chinese sentence. It is an auxiliary to question about something. So here in this drama clip, the female actor is questioning about the love affair, that why do we need to be, or why do we have to be in a relationship that is based on love, a love affair. So ये मैंने इसकी वजाहत कर दी कि एक लफ्ज़ जिसको हम माँ कहते हैं, हम चीनी ज़ुबान के जुमलों में उसको आखिर में लिखते हैं ताकि वो सवालिया बना दे जुमले को. तो बाज़ औक़ात चीनी लोग ये आ का भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं जिसके ऊपर 5th टोन मार्क है, और इसका इस्तेमाल भी सवाल पूछने के लिए ही करते हैं. इसको और तरीक़ों से भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. मैं ये नहीं कहता कि सिर्फ़ सवालिया जुमले ही बनाते हैं इससे, लेकिन इससे इसका एक इस्तेमाल ये है कि इससे हम जुमले को सवालिया भी बना सकते हैं, यानी किसी चीज़ के बारे में सवाल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So this is all about it. And here sometimes to sound like native speakers we use this I at the end of a Chinese sentence, or sometimes we need to show something obvious. जो चीज़ बिल्कुल वाज़े है, यानी कि ये यहाँ पे जब किसी चीज़ की वाज़े होने की दलील हो तो उसके आखिर में, जुमले के आखिर में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ठीक है. So it's really hard to fall in love. This is like a fact. It's like self-explained thing. So it's really hard to fall in love. Maybe this is a self-explained fact that it's really hard to fall in love. So we also use this a at the end of a Chinese sentence to talk about something that is obvious. So this is all for today. I hope you would have enjoyed this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy on YouTube. See you in the next interesting lecture. 再见, Allah Hafiz.